Check the anti-tilt label on the outside of the outer packing. Indicator lamp off means that the instrument is transported normally and there is no accidental fall. Pry the edge snap with a hammer or flat screwdriver. At least 2 people assist is needed to push the instrument to the pre-installation position. The voltage of the neutral and live wire is 220 V. The neutral and ground wire should be less than 5 V. The pure water shall be measured in the hospital to ensure that the water quality value is below 1. Take out the waste liquid pipes from the accessories. Insert them into the waste outlet in turn. Ensure that the level of the waste liquid outlet of the instrument is higher than the whole of the waste tank. Take out the inlet line from the accessories. Connect the pipe and buckle it tightly. The end of the inlet pipe needs to fall to the bottom of the pure bucket. Open the front cover and cut off the cable ties of the detergent float. Place the detergent in the tray and put the float in and tighten. Fix the 4 feet to prevent the instrument from moving by mistake. Turn the 380 on and the deionized water automatic storage. Click reset, instrument began to run. There is no air in the syringe and there is no leakage around the valve. Everything is fine. The installation completed.